All right, so we're getting ready to do the tire, the spare mount tire, spare tire mount. What is it? Something like that.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out what it is, where it goes, and how it works. Well, there's no brackets for it, of course, and we're not even sure how it goes. The bolt pattern is not even close, so we're going to have to change that up a little bit. But we held it up there just a second ago, and man, it looks cool.
Mm-hmm.
You can kind of see Gibby's getting serious about making a custom rear pan here. We got all them notches there for the exhaust tips. This will be the exhaust tips coming out of the back. And then they'll all go up, coming out all in a line there. It'll look pretty darn good.
We're gonna miss the spare tire and everything.
Gonna miss the spare tire. Go under the bumper. We didn't have the brackets for the rear bumper, so I had to make those. So they're not available. Front ones are, but the rear ones are not available. So they kind of brace it up there, and that rear panel sandwiches between the bumper and the brackets here. Had to make a cross spreader bar. So the spreader bar is going to be for hanging the exhaust on.
And now for the spare tire.
And now for the spare tire. That's a big old heavy tire. How are you going to brace all that? You going to use that spreader bar?
Yep.
Your new fancy spreader bar?
Yep.
So mark it there. We already held it up there.
Yeah.
So we got the right distance. It kind of fits right under the bumper there, right in that round of it, and goes right up. You got about...
Is that a good height you said to be at?
That was a good height. That gave us about 2 inches away from the back there. Trim it, bolt that in, and I guess just make some bracketry under there. And
Yeah, I'll do a flat plate with some gussets for the strength. So that spreader bar's right here. I think that'd be good.
That'd be awesome. Good. Well, I believe I'm gonna let you get after it.
Yeah.
That looks about like exactly what you want.
Yeah, we missed our body. That's good.
Yeah. You didn't drill a hole in the tank when you were drilling. That's
Nope, missed the tank.
good. Missed the tank. So you got the mufflers coming back about this far.
Yeah.
And then you want to hold them up there, kind of
Yeah.
show how we're going to have them.
I'll cut them off. But
Yeah,
I want-
that'll
I wanna
notch
get
out. Notch out to go up in there.
Yeah.
But that'll be good. So you can, make that plate for the spare tire piece.
Yeah.
That mount, and then solid mount them so they're not clanking.
Mm-hmm.
That's going to come out good.
Yeah. It'll come out real nice. And I'll make my spare tire plate. I'll make it where it's up like that too.
Yep.
Gussets off top and bottom.
So you got a plate there,
Yeah.
a couple of... Oops. Stand back.
I better tack this
Yeah, tack them together. Yeah, and then the angle, and it's bolted so tight up here. That should work.
in. Yeah.
All right, so the beginning of great things start with starting.
Start
you gotta
with
start
starting.
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's gonna fit up in there pretty nicely.
Yeah.
Then you're gonna gusset between here
Yeah.
and here probably.
Yeah, I'll put a gusset, probably 2 on the back, you know, a couple V's, and then one up the center, just up the middle.
We're gonna clear the tank,
Yep.
and once this panel comes off,
Yeah.
it'll just be there.
Yep.
Make them holes a little bit bigger up here,
Yep.
and bolt her on.
That looks better on my whole situation.
Looking good.
Yeah.
So what do we got there?
Well, these are going to be my mounts for in here. I'm going to weld to my tube and weld to the pipe. just like so.
Do we see that? I think I see fingers. You got that all trimmed out around the exhaust. It's looking good. Got the bracing all done for the.
Well, I got to put the two top clip on it, Bob. But I'll wait till we get the panel off.
Right.
But yeah, I went all the way. I changed my mind. I went all the way down to the pipe. Did you see that?
Yep.
Instead of just filling it, I think it'd be stronger that way.
Yep. Yeah, we just gotta make sure it's don't have a twist on there.
Okay.
I mean, it's pretty heavy with the whole tire and all that on there.
Yeah.
So don't want it to twist. Okay, so maybe you can see that. So that little bracket is now welded on to the horseshoe part here. So the back of the exhaust tips will bolt up to the bracket there. So they're solid mounted pretty close to that. We've got a spacer of just one nut.
Yeah.
So we have the equal nut.
Okay. So we go.
So now it's just a matter of connect it to the mufflers. Finish up some welding. And just get it done. That's all that's left. All that's left is get it done.
Yeah.
So you're about done for the day? It's like getting 4. Looks like you got a pretty good day in.
Yeah, real good day.
So if you're feeling up to it, you're coming in tomorrow. It's supposed to rain. I think I'll be down here tomorrow too. So good. I think we're gonna wrap this video here. So a couple days of progress on PhantomPete.